Namaste friends, I'm Nisha Thakur and today I'm showing you how to rationalize the denominator. I took 4 questions and first one is this 1 upon square root 10. So here says rationalize the denominator. It means we have to make radical free denominator. For this, here is square root 10. It means here invisible 2, right? Because 1 upon 2 power. So here just only 1 10. So here we multiply one more 10. Multiply and divide. So now here numerator multiply and denominator. So 1 times square root 10 is square root 10 and square root 10 multiply square root 10, it becomes square root 100, which is 10. Numerator write as it is and square root 100 become 10. Okay, this is our first question. Now we take second question. Square root 5 upon 12. Now we can simplify this. So square root 5 upon square root 12. And we have to make radical free denominator. So we have to rationalize the denominator, and again here is square root, so multiply square root 12. Okay, square root 5 times square root 12, it becomes square root 60. 5 times 12, 60. And this is square root 12 times square root 12, square root 144. And square root 60, which is 4 times 15, and square root 144 is 12. Now this square root 4 is 2, square root 15, and this is 12. So our final answer is square root 15, 2 cancelled by 2 and 12 cancelled by 2. So this is 6 in denominator. Now radical free denominator. Radical free denominator. Okay. Now third question. Here 2 upon cube root x. Here 1/3 power. So we want here x3, but here only 1, so we want 2 more. So x square. We have to multiply 1/3 power x square. Now simply multiply numerator and denominator with denominator. 1/3 power and x cube. Now numerator already solved, so we can write as it is, and here denominator become x. So I used here this formula, 1 upon n power or x to the power n equal x. Okay, now I'm taking fourth example, fourth question. 1 upon 1/4 power a. So here 1/4 power and here only 1a. we want 3 more. Like this. We have to multiply and divide by 1/4 power and a to the power 3. Now simply multiply 1/4 power a to the power 3, 1/4 power a to the power, here a multiply a cube, which is a to the power 4. 1 plus 3, 4. Now here apply this formula. A to the power 3, and here this is a free, because here 1/4 power 1/4 and this is 4. It will be cancelled out. So this is our radical free answer. If you like my video, so please like, subscribe and share my channel. And if you have any queries, so please ask me anytime. Please email me. My email address is nishathakur04@gmail.com. So have a nice day. Bye.